Rono, beloved Rono, you are the land of Ajar. Emotions of the hill begin in your lap. From the first kiss of the first rain that touches our hearts. Now winter is competing with rain. Every time the rain drenches the Ajar trees, on your serpentine roads, winter intensifies. The meandering roads in the campus are empty today. Dim-lit street lights fail to brighten those faces, those Krishnasuras from the land of Krishnasura, or Nahars from the land of Nahar. No, wait, those might be the throngs of hillbilly girls. Occupants are increasing, maybe more than ever. Yet those known faces are few and far, with whom we can relish the wintry nights, sit beside the helipad, discussing Leninism, Marxism. Yes, we are getting busier day by day. Gradually, we will have to part with the land of Ajars, tea samosas, viewpoint addas, coffee houses, and coffee patties. These hilly days one day will be history. Some new faces will turn up, make my room their own, as I did once. As distance increases, the Ajar trees, canteen, zigzag roads, street lights, and I will grow apart. I know those efforts to engrave memories on these Ajars are like stepping on a bed of dry sand. Heart burns, sensing if efforts are failing, but light and smoke do not remain to mark the fire inside. Excuses no longer remain to blame the green forests if those green remain untouched. I know the world outside this land of Ajar revels in its complexity. We are locked, suffering in the furnace of artificiality. Yet, we dream of counting those moments of happiness. Someday, monsoon will greet even the driest land in the drought season. Indebted bodies will be free. Rono, today I paint my dreams on you. I know you won't orphan anyone. Growing in your love, in your bosom, one day I will touch the blue sky, immortalize it in my poetry. Infinite phases of life, some struggles, some happy times, on those serpentine roads, under the Ajar trees.